What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe, like, and follow my Facebook page, David Lanyas, on TikTok and on Instagram as well. Ito daw po yung finale performance ng SB19 kagabi, May 18, no? Ito ay sa Araneta Coliseum. If I'm not mistaken, dalawa yung concerts nila, day of concerts sa Araneta, 18 and 19. Ito yung kagabi, SB19 pagtatag finale concert. Alam niyo ba kung anong finale performance sila? Finale song? Moonlight. Yeah. So, this is going to be my first time na makarinig at makita silang mag-perform ng Moonlight. So, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. And this is a fan cam. So, shoutout kay Mommy M's Vlogs for this fan cam video. Salamat. Paggamit lang muna for the reaction video. Okay? Shoutout sa'yo and go to her channel. Baka meron pang maraming SB19 performances doon. And subscribe na rin kayo doon sa kanya. Daming tao. So ito yung producer. Ito ba si Terry Jong? Or si Ian Asher? Hey. I love this part. Nice. One, two. Nice. Galing. Para music video lang, no? Galing. Galing. Hey, hey. La, la, la. Galing. Galing ng execution. Nakaka-hype. Hey. Nice. Gusto ko itong ganitong stepping. Nice. Ang galing. Wow. Fantastic. Fantastic. Wonderful performance. Ang gusto ko dito, para akong nanood ng live music video. It was perfectly executed. Same vibe, same energy, and yung cheer ng crowd, yung suporta ng crowd, it makes it even more spectacular performance. And shoutout nga pala sa producer for collaborating with SB19. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng track. Isa to siguro sa kanilang very international tunog na song na na-produce nila, no? Amazing. Wonderful performance. Good job. Nice. And gusto ko yung Moonlight yung finale nila. Kasi diba, alam naman natin, Gento. Or maybe, just maybe. Kasi yun yung pinaka-latest nila na release. And then, it already has some records na break nila yung record ng Gento. So, I think, deserve naman nung Moonlight na gawing finale performance. So, good job! And tell me kung ano pa yung gusto nyong i-react ko from their concert. Just tell me kasi gagawa natin yan ng reaction video. Okay? So, hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.